Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. So today at BSR Automobile Workshop we have a Tata. The car came for some minor work. There was problem with AC compressor. So we have checked it. Now we're gonna give it to the customer to recheck the car, and after 2 days it will come for the reservice to check everything is fine. We have also built this new board in support to the war that was happening. Hopefully everything is good now. And we have a car for our premium wash. As you can see, we are properly cleaning the tires and everything. Deep cleaning is done for the car. The mats are there and everything in place. Apart from that, we have some flooded car because of the thunderstorm 2 days before. The Volvo and the Audi got flooded, so we also have them. So as you can see, the suspension are so low for the Volvo because the pipe has broken, the air suspension pipe, so we're gonna replace it. And the car was flooded, so we are removing all the interior so that we can have large drop of water out of the car so that we can save the electricals, because as you can see all this wiring and everything, we have to save the electricals because anything can get short and it can lead to a much higher damage in these luxury cars. Apart from this, we have a BMW X1. The car is here for general servicing. As you can see, we are only using original BMW filters and nothing else. So we are also changing everything, and we are changing the brake pads of the car. So the car is gonna get delivered by tomorrow. And we also have this Audi on the same night as the Volvo. The Audi also got flooded, so there was some water in the air filter. If the air filter is choked, the car cannot start, and that's what happened to the customer. As you can see, right, we have completely removed everything from the Audi also, so that all the winding and everything is good before we restart the car. This is the general precautionary step that one has to take if the car is flooded, because it can result in much more damage and any electrical part can like get faulty or something. So apart from that, we have this Formula car. We have shifted the simulator inside, and the go-kart is also at some progress. We are still making the chassis. The engine mount is ready. Tires are aligned, the seat is ready. We have made it a little longer so that it can hold the drift and do good stuff. Also, because the Volvo got flooded, we have this Volvo original filter for the car, because when the car got flooded, the air filter was completely drenched in water. So we have this for this car, and we're gonna reuse this because the car recently got serviced just 1000 kilometers back. So that's all for today. We have started doing everything. So we are doing wraps and MX, as you know. We have also invested a small amount in this newest 3D printer, which can make this, and some custom car parts etc. Also like many stuff. These are the recent trophy. Apollo got the second overall fastest in BND, and we went to this Uttarakhand Motorsport Festival. So stay tuned guys. We'll catch up in next vlog, and I will hopefully try to make more vlogs so that we can connect more. Stay tuned.